What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I really do have some heat for y'all. First up, let me give credit where credit is due. Omar, he posted this last week in a Facebook group, and I've had it up. I just keep forgetting to mention it. But he found some crazy deals over at Lowe's. We have this Bosch 12-volt reciprocating saw. This one-handed reciprocating saw. I have this. It's surprisingly good. It's very, very good, actually. I like it better than Metabo HPT's one-handed reciprocating saw. $29.75, y'all. $29.75 marked down from $119. He also found this Bosch oscillating tool. Now, the thing about the Bosch oscillating tool is that it uses those star blades, not the universal blades that Milwaukee and stuff use. So you're going to pay a little bit more for the Starlock blades, but the tool itself is $39. I don't have this one. I've never used it, but $39, you really can't go wrong. Moving on, we also have this Bosch 12-volt impact driver. $39.75. Marked down from $159. This brings me back to Tractor Supply days last year. So there you have that. Let's move on. Moving on over to Home Depot, we have this DeWALT angle grinder. It's a 60 volt and it's a BOGO. So $229 is, like regular price for this grinder. But you buy that, you'll get a free 9 amp hour 60 volt flex volt battery. 9 amp hour battery. Okay, that I will say that in and of itself is more than what the angle grinder even costs. So when you add this, though, this thing breaks down to be $112.05 for the angle grinder, which is insane. It has a kickback brake, and then the battery itself also winds up being $116.95, which is also an incredible deal. I don't even think I'd hack this. I'd just take the whole thing personally and flip something. I mean, you flippers already probably been all over this, buying these up, and they've already been flooding Facebook Marketplace. Moving on back over to Lowe's. Don't forget you have your Rakuten and Retail Me Not cash back. I don't know why I can't click Retail Me Not off, but it's also 3% cash back with Rakuten. And if you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. When you spend $30, you'll get a bonus $30 on top of the 3% cash back. Now, over here, we have some interesting deals. Let's go ahead and refresh this. We have this Metabo HBT 18-volt brad nailer and the oscillating tool for $168.67. It's a whole kit. So it comes with the battery, it comes with the nailer, it comes with the oscillating tool, charger, and a bag. Why this is so cheap, I really don't know. So there you have that. That's an incredible deal right there. I really don't even understand this. This has got to be a glitch. So moving on over to Home Depot, and this is why I made the video, because this is a special buy today, and I want you guys to take advantage. So they are having an incredible sale on EcoFlow products. They have this bundle here with it looks like, I'm assuming this comes with the cable. This also comes with the Delta 2 and a Delta 2 extra battery for $949. This is brand new. You're not going to find anything this cheap refurbished from EcoFlow's eBay store. So this is a really, really incredible deal right here. And honestly, the description is a little convoluted here. It's saying the Delta 2 push button start power station. Now, while technically that's accurate, it kind of almost sounds like it's referring to its smart power station, the dual fuel one, but it's not. So it's using weird language. But what I think you're going to get is a Delta 2 and the extra battery. $949, that's an amazing deal. Even more amazing is this Delta 2 with a 400-watt solar panel. Listen, the solar panel is $900. So for an extra $100, you get a Delta 2. $999 for this bundle is insane. This is not a 200-watt panel, 400-watt panel. Moving on, we also have this Delta Pro with a 400-watt panel for $24.99. And look, I brought up their Amazon store just to show you what the Delta 2 with the 200-watt panel goes for. $1,600. $1,600. And over here, you're getting a 400 watt panel with the Delta 2 for $9.99. Then also over at their eBay store, refurbished, you'll get the Delta Pro with a 400 watt panel for the same $24.99. And this is brand new. This also qualifies for a 30% tax credit because it's brand new and because it has a battery that's over 3,000 watt hours. This is a 3,600 watt hour battery with 3,600 watts out along with this 400 watt panel. Y'all, take advantage of this. You will get 30% tax deduction on the entire 2,500 because this panel is lumped into the bundle. Incredible deal. And that is it. I just wanted to make the video to show y'all this deal specifically. Hopefully this was helpful. If you got any value from this video, please leave me a like. Consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.